Gwydnwch resilience. We're hearing more and more about resilience, but what does this mean and how do we develop this important skill that's going to help us in life? What is resilience? Resilience is our ability to cope well with stress and the way we choose to respond and grow mentally in order to survive stronger from a difficult situation. It's an important skill to develop for the world of work as well as in our personal life, and it's a skill we can develop on a day-to-day basis. How can we develop the skill? Self-care. To begin with the process of self-care, make a list of what you need to do to care about yourself. It's important that you take time to look after yourself in order to live a happy and healthy life. Everyone is different, so you need to find out what makes you feel better. Elements of self-care. 1. Looking after your body. Figuring out a way of exercising your body that provides you with a challenge and a buzz. Remember to drink plenty of water and eat nutritious food. 2. Emotional well-being. Constantly developing our emotional well-being is an important element of self-care and a way to develop resilience. 3. Be kind to yourself. Think, would you talk to a friend the same way you talk to yourself? We need to be kind to ourselves. 4. Study. Getting enough sleep and a chance to relax is important. Listen to the Help for Heroes breathing clip and relax on YouTube and download the Coach app. 5. Learn from your mistakes. Everyone makes mistakes. It's how we learn and develop. 6. Starting each day as a new beginning. When you start each day with the intention of doing your best and not giving up, you will find satisfaction in knowing that you're developing as a person. 7. Purpose. Think about what makes you excited and happy. 8. Volunteer. Volunteering and developing new skills can have a positive influence on your well-being and is a way to develop your resilience skills. It will also be a great way to develop your self-confidence and learn new skills that you can list on your CV. If you want to help others by volunteering, head to our opportunities page to find out more. Further support. If you need support, there are helplines and websites specialising in emotional well-being available. There is an information, advice and advocacy helpline for children and young people, and a place to get support and learn about different mental health disorders. Problem-solving skills. Changing the way you think and deal with problems will help build your resilience and emotional well-being. As this model shows, viewing a problem as an opportunity to find a solution is a better way to face problems. Here is the model from Help for Heroes that shows the process to problem solve. You're able to develop resilience skills over time, like every other skill in life. If you would like more support with skills for the world of work, contact us.